Well, hi, welcome back to our motor learning class. And in chapter 4, we're going to do something a little bit different and let you do a group activity. So you will have been assigned a group, or I will shortly assign you a group in order for you to research and actually present the content of chapter 4, which actually looks at the neuromotor system. Each of your groups will collaborate, research, and then produce a 10 to 15 minute video on the assigned area of motor control. You will get 2 grades for this assignment. The first one will be your presentation grade, and the other grade will be your cooperation in your group grade and how you contributed. As you prepare for this presentation, specifically focus on the connection with your topic and motor behavior. I encourage you to provide notes, PowerPoint, anything that will be helpful as you present the content, and use your text, and try to use 2 other sources that would be outside of your text as you prepare your presentation. This will count as a lab grade, and you should plan on about 10 to 12 minutes with the presentation. So we will have 4 groups for this assignment, and group A will look at neurons and present information and how it relates to the motor control system. Group B will look specifically at the brain, and again, that's a really large category, but zero in on the parts of the brain that have direct effect on the neuromotor system. And then the spinal cord as well. And the last group will look at the motor unit, how different parts come together and their relationships as relates to motor control. So I've either assigned you a group, or you're going to be signing up shortly for one of those 4 broad categories. As I mentioned, you'll get 2 grades for this, and it will count as a lab grade. One will be the actual presentation itself, and I listed the rubric here. There's also one attached in the assignment online, but I encourage you to review the grading rubric. Just make sure that you're following it so that you can get full credit. As well, you're going to evaluate one another in a peer evaluation, how well you worked within your group, and so each member will evaluate themselves along with all the other members of the group. So you'll do 1 for each member of your group. And again, you can see the rubric that's here. It will be provided online, and again, you'll have opportunity to evaluate each member of the group that you're working with. So I hope that is informational for you. If you have any specific questions or concerns, let me know. Again, I will give you a place where you can actually download your 10 to 12 minute presentation, and then we'll share it with everybody in the class, so all the content of chapter 4 will be covered. So I look forward to what each one of your groups will be able to produce. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.